Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day so far. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I am packing for a little holiday that me and my husband are having. So we are only going away for 2 nights. We're staying in the UK, but I am filming this at the start of a red warning for heat. So I need heat-proof makeup, I need skincare that is going to help me in the heat. I am packing for a variety of different scenarios. So we are going away to watch the cricket. It is going to be a day-night game, so it's going to start at about 1, finish about 9, but I'm going to be having my makeup on that day from about 9 o'clock that morning, and it's going to be just a little 35 degrees all day, but I am packing now in preparation for that. So I need a long-lasting makeup. We're going to be going out for tea the night before, so I need glamorous makeup, and then I am also packing my makeup for a day at work, because we're coming back on the morning and then going straight to work. So I have a variety of different things that I need makeup for, and I'm also going to be showing you which brushes I'm going to be packing, and then I'm going to take you next door and show you which skincare I'm going to be taking. So let's just go through this methodically. So when we first get there, we're going to be going out for tea. I'm going to need some glamorous makeup. This is the bag that I'm taking. This is from the Flay Lay company, and this like opens right up. I got this for Christmas. It opens right up and you can fit so much stuff in here. Oh, look how dirty that is. I've used this and loved this, so it is dirty, I'm sorry, but I'm going to be packing everything into here. So like I say, going straight out for tea. So I'm going to want something quite glamorous but also very, very quick. So I think I will probably skip foundation and just go in with a tinted moisturiser, because I can also wear this the next day should I want to. So this is the Body Collection Glow Tinted Moisturiser. I will pack that, and I will also pack this setting powder. This is the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte setting powder if I want to powder it down for that evening out. For concealer, I'm just going to take the one. This is the one from my project pans. This is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. Really like that, and I know because I have it on currently, I know that these work together. I have also just tested this bronzer and I'm really impressed with it. The L'Oreal Infallible Matte Bronzer. Really like that. And then blush. I'm thinking maybe something quite bright. So I think it'll be between these two, the Beauty Bay Coral or the Flower Beauty in Wild Rose. I think maybe the coral one. That's a really nice, like, warm tone. So I'll go with that one. I'm not going to pack a highlighter, I don't think, because it's going to be so hot. I don't want to look extra shiny, so I will skip on that step. For brows, I will just pack these, the Eyelure Brow Pencil and the E.L.F. Wow Brow. For eyes, I think I'm going to take this for 2 reasons. So this is the Revolution Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette in the shade Allure. I think I'm going to take this because it has a really great selection of neutral colours, and it also has a huge mirror. So when we get to the hotel, if there isn't a great mirror to get ready in front of, then I can just sit in front of the window with this, and I can also do something very sort of neutral for the next day. So I'll go with that one. And in case I want an eyeliner, like I said, we're going to be out in the sun a lot, so I know I want something waterproof. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Black Lacquer by Superliner Waterproof eyeliner. This is by far my favourite eyeliner. It is fantastic. For mascara, I'm going to take the Essence Another Volume Mascara Just Better. This I know lasts really well on me, so that is all I'm taking for the eyes. So I'm going to take 2 lip options because I have really been enjoying a dark bright red with like not a lot on the eyes. This is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in Hustle in Heels, and this is almost like an orangey warm red, and it's beautiful, and I know that these last really well. So if I want to do like a neutral makeup look but with a pop of red, then I can do that. Or if I just want something sort of more neutral and glossy on the lips, then I can go with this one, which is the Colourish Shine in Watermelon Plum. Again, it looks really dark red, but it is a lot more pared back. So those are the lip options. I will also take the Nivea Hydra SPF 15 for applying throughout the day, because nobody wants sunburnt lips. So that feels like a good amount of makeup in there. I'm happy with the variety of different looks, so I can just decide what I want to do on the morning of, but I have options still, because I don't want to just be tied down to having to do a certain thing. Do you know what I mean? Like, I still want options, and I can also wear all this makeup for work. So that is good with me. For brushes, none of these will be a surprise because I use these on a regular basis. For the base makeup, I'm going to take this one, which is the Sport FX 01, but I really like this more dense flat end for applying that tinted moisturiser. Really like that. I can also use this end for the powder, so that's like a really good 2-in-1. I am, however, just going to take another big fluffy brush in case I need it. This is the B Cosmetics powder brush, and it's huge, so I know that I can just quickly apply with that. I will take the Real Techniques contour brush for concealer. I always use that one. And then I will also take the Real Techniques blush brush for blusher and bronzer. I always just use the same brush for that. I find that it like blends it into itself really nicely, so I like those ones. And then for eyeshadow, I will take this LA Girl 202, which is a big fluffy brush just for getting that colour on really quickly in the crease. And then I will just take these 4 brushes here. So we have a Morphe liner brush, really small liner brush, which I don't apply liner with that, but I do like to sort of squiggle something under the eyes with that. Then I have another Morphe brush. This is just a smaller sort of version of that LA Girl one, so it is just a little bit more precise. Then we have 2 flat sort of shader brushes. The smaller one is from Morphe and the larger one is from Revolution. They don't have like numbers or anything on them, so I can't tell you what they are, but the Morphe one I like for putting something on the inner corner, and the Revolution one is good for packing a sort of shimmer or something all over the lid and then blending it out. So those are going in. And while we're here, I also have all of my hair things out here, so taking a little pack of Kirby grips, and then I will take a few like curly elastic hair ties, a silk scrunchie for sleeping in, and also one of these little claw clips in case I want to clip back my hair, and also a hairbrush. All of that can go in, and that's all really compact. Like, that's not even full, that can be loads fuller. So we'll go next door and we'll see what skincare we want to take. So, change of setup. You haven't been here for quite a while. This is my bedroom, this is my suitcase. I'm genuinely in the middle of packing. So that is all of my makeup done. Now I just need skincare. So starting with my nighttime skincare routine, I like 2 cleansers. I like a micellar water to take everything off, and then like another cleanser, whether that is a cream cleanser or a balm cleanser. I like another step in my cleansing routine to really get everything off. So I thankfully have like 1 use left of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. This is the oil infused one. This is by far my favourite one, and that's all like mixed together, but that's enough for the 2 nights that we're going to be away. And then my second cleanse, I'm going to take this one because honestly it's the one that's like closest to being empty. This is the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm. This is a fantastic moisturiser, cleanser if you have dry skin. It leaves your skin feeling so nice, not like tight and stripped and just horrible like a lot of cleansers do. And I also have a muslin cloth for with that. I have a reusable cotton pad for with the micellar water, but they're downstairs, they're still in the wash. And then for toner, I don't know whether I'm going to take this, but this is the only toner that I really use. This is the Naturally Radiant Glycolic Acid Toner, just from Superdrug. This is fantastic for really keeping your skin tone really nice. I find that when I have spots, I find that if I am regularly using a toner, it makes those go away quicker, makes them smaller when I do have them, and just generally keeps my skin happy. The reason I'm not sure if I want to take this is because it is an acid toner and we're in the middle of a heat wave here, and it's going to be like 35 degrees when we're away. So I think I'm going to leave this at home because I don't want to risk damaging my skin. Yeah, I talked myself out of that. I'm not going to take this. I will use this tonight and then I will have 2 nights not using it, and then I can just start using it when we're back. But I know that we're going to be out all day and I don't want to risk damaging my skin, so I've just talked myself out of that one. Another product that sort of does the same thing, keeps my skin just really happy and hydrated and smooth, is the Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C Anti-Dark Spot Serum. I am really enjoying this. I'm using it really regularly. I'm using it every single night. I don't like to use this necessarily in the morning, but I really like using this on a night. This one, however, I don't know if I have a whole use left in this, so I'm going to take my new one and I will leave this one here upside down so that when I'm back I can use the last out of that bottle. So that is the serum going in. And then my last 2 steps in the evening are the Simple Skin Quench Sleeping Cream. This is a really interesting texture. It's like a gel. I don't know if you'll even be able to see that. I mean, I haven't got a ton left. It's a really lightweight moisturiser. I can use this in the morning or the evening. I prefer using it in the evening. It's really deeply hydrating and it leaves my skin feeling lovely in the morning. And then my last step is this eye cream. This is the Vitamin E eye cream from, it's just the Superdrug own brand one, but this is so nice around the eyes, especially at the minute. My eyes are so sensitive with, you know, heat wave. It is hot and there's a lot of pollen about, and I have really bad hay fever, so I like using a really soothing eye cream, especially on a night, but I do sometimes also use this in the morning just to really calm down all of that irritated like skin around my eyes. Obviously my eyes stream a lot and I am wiping them all the time because they're just constantly running, so I do need something really nourishing around that sensitive area, and this is a really beautiful one. So that's all of my nighttime skincare. We're starting to get quite full now, but for the daytime I am packing the Me Plus Hyaluronic Acid Booster. I might see if I can like decant this into a slightly smaller bottle because that is hefty and it is quite full. But I sometimes use this in the evening, but every morning I will use a hyaluronic acid. Then if my skin is feeling especially dry, I will go with that sleeping cream and then my SPF. So this is the Garnier Vitamin C Brightening Serum Cream. Now this is only an SPF of 25. Yeah, this is 25, but I like this as like my first step because it is really nice and moisturising. So this has like a twisty thing on it so that it doesn't get pressed and go off in my makeup bag. And then I've been trying this out. This is the Garnier Ambre Solaire Sensitive Advanced SPF 50. Now I don't know, that's like completely blowing out all the colour, isn't it? I don't know if this is necessarily made for your face, but I have been using it on my face. I am really sensitive when it comes to SPF products. They always make my eyes water. Now this says that it is this says that it's for fair, sensitive and sun intolerant skin. Now of all the things that I'm intolerant to, the sun is definitely one of them, and I have really been enjoying this. It's not a clear sort of SPF product. It is a very thick typical SPF, but it is obviously an SPF 50. It has all of the stars in the like UVA and UVB protection things. It's obviously a very high SPF, but in case you can't tell, I am incredibly pale. I need a really high SPF, and I don't know how much I'm going to be able to reapply my SPF throughout the day because we've got 7 trillion different things planned and I'm going to be outside all day, so I need something really high that's really long lasting, and this one has been great. I've been testing it for a while. It doesn't break me out, it lasts really well all day, it doesn't make my eyes water, it doesn't make me really shiny and like sweaty looking on my face, but it is also really nice and like moisturizing on your body. So I have just been using this all over, really like that. And then I also have this, which I haven't used before, so I can't like comment on how well it works, but I got this for this trip because I'm obviously going to be wearing makeup. I'm going to be out and about all day long, and I'm going to have to reapply my SPF, but obviously reapplying a cream over the top of makeup isn't the easiest thing / isn't really possible. So I got this, which is a spray. This is the Over Makeup Super UV Protection Mist from Garnier. Like I say, I haven't used this before, but I've heard really great things from a few other YouTubers and such, and I just think even if I can reapply all of my makeup up to my chin, reapply my SPF, sorry, up to my chin, and then just apply this onto the face. Obviously I'm going to be wearing a big summer hat. I am going to be wearing a hat to like shade my face. I'm going to have my sunglasses on probably all day, but it's so important to keep reapplying SPF. So I will put this in my bag, but I will probably just put it into my handbag on the day. And then the last few little bits that I'm packing are a hand cream. So this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter hand cream. I honestly apply this all over my body, so I will be taking that with me if it will fit in this bag. And then the last few bits that I am putting in are hay fever tablets. Absolutely essential. I'm going to need more than 2. I'll have to get a new tray, but I'll put these in just in case I forget. And deodorant. This is the Wild Natural deodorant. I am absolutely desperate for a refill of this. This won't go up anymore. I need a new one urgently, but there'll be enough for a couple of days there. So that is my bag packed. I know this seems excessive, but it is mostly skincare. So actually I could probably take the SPF out because that can just go into my suitcase. And then if I jiggle that around a bit, I can make all of that fit. So that is me packed, ready to go away for just the 2 nights, but I have an excessive skincare routine, okay? I am aware that it's a lot more steps than what some people would do, but this is like my absolute bare minimum. So I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you found it useful, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!